Angela Sparks here, and today we're going to do some breath of fire. For those of you that already watched the video on how to do it and are comfortable with the breath, so we're going to do a 3-minute round of Kapalabhati breath of fire for clearing. So we're going to do 3 1-minute rounds and end each one with lion's breath. So we'll do the breath of fire, then lion's breath, then take a deep breath in, exhale, and then we'll start the next minute. So what you want to do is find a comfortable seated position. I'm sitting in a seat, but normally I would do this either in lotus pose or cross-legged, or you can sit on a blanket or a block or a pillow, whatever's comfortable for you, as long as you have a nice tall spine, nice open airways. And as you do the breath, you're going to close your eyes and look at the third eye point. So visualize here, it's kind of here and straight back into your head. But if you want to just focus your inner vision upwards with your eyes closed as we're doing the breath. I'll be breathing along with you. Your tempo may be slower or faster, so do whatever is comfortable. And if you do have any dizziness or any other symptoms, be sure to stop and just take some deep breaths, and then you can catch back up with us. All right, so let's get started. Keep going, we're almost done with the first minute. And here we go, big lion's breath out. And deep inhale. Hold it for just a moment. And release. Second minute, here we go. Closing the eyes. Looking at that third eye point. Sitting up tall, tall spine, clear airways. And here we go, big lion's breath. Deep breath in. And hold it. Let it release. All right, 1 more minute. Here we go. Sitting up tall, begin breath of fire. Close your eyes, looking at the third eye point. Try to keep everything else relaxed as you do it. Keep breathing. Almost there. Ready for a lion's breath. Let it all out. And deep breath in. Hold it. And release. And then now just take a moment to observe how your body feels. Close the eyes. See if your mind feels clearer. See if your body feels clearer. Just take several deep breaths here. Just several natural breaths, seeing what you feel. Seeing if you have cleared out some of the thoughts you have more of a moment of stillness here, enjoying that moment. And then slowly open the eyes. Thanks for joining me. Be sure to repeat this as often as necessary anytime you need to be re-energized or clear out any emotions. And again, be sure to join up my newsletter for more healthy living tips.